Good evening and welcome to Braaiwitness News. I am Steak Chop from Zijl. Over the weekend, South Africans were once again left fuming as load shedding reared its ugly head. Eskom has also informed us this week that we should prepare ourselves to make load shedding part of our family and daily lives for at least the next 5 years. South Africans are now turning to their candles, firelighters and portable braais to burn those load shedding blues away. And in front of me is just one of those products that should make one of those dark load shedding days just burn that little bit brighter. Before me I have the Camp Products Flatpack Deluxe Grill, housed in a beautiful square cardboard box, the size of one of those decent cookbooks nobody really uses anymore. Inside the box we have 4.5 kilograms of pure stainless steel and of course a few extra goodies. On top of the box, inside the box, we have a fantastic, durable, Velcro, double-handled, waterproof carry bag. Perfect for not putting this thing back in the box. Also, if you don't want to watch this video and you've purchased this product, there's a pamphlet. Read it, then you'll know what to do. First things first, the top part that comes off actually has an extendable handle and is also the top or lid part of a clamp grill. Over here we have Space Invaders. Pew 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 pew. Sorry, just joking. It's actually a pair of tongs that extend to about 30-35 centimeters, made from a durable but lightweight aluminium. Next up is the side panels, and we have 4 of them all lined up quite neatly in here. And as you can see, on the one side it has 3 teeth or hooks, and on the other side it has 3 grooves into which those hooks would fit as we assemble a little bit later. Always look out for the finer details. Inside every box is always a small little packet that sometimes gets unnoticed, ends up still in the box, so don't throw the box away just yet. Always double check. And inside this little baggie is 4 little L-shaped hooks that we'll use to secure the panels when we assemble. There's also a little stainless steel bracket, another stainless steel square grill, a stainless steel sheet, also once again square with a round little hole, and then in here we have what looks as the stand, also made of stainless steel. It's got nice raised edges, and then of course the second part of our clamp down grill, also with extendable handle, which basically just slots into each other with the first part and gets secured with a little lock on the outside, and you have a perfect stainless steel clamp grid that can hold about 4 braai broodjies or a spatchcock chicken. Now let's assemble this braai and see how much time we actually need. As I said, there is 4 of these panels that just slides into each other with the teeth and the grooves, fairly straightforward. And this is where these little L hooks come into play. At the top tooth there is a tiny little hole where this just hooks in, just to secure that it won't come loose. Now when I assemble this, I enjoy securing every panel afterwards. You can do it whichever way you feel like. It's also said that it's not 100% necessary for these locks, but then again, I'd rather be safe than sorry. We'll quickly just try and assemble the last few pieces here. Lock, and last but not least, also lock. Now what is nice is this little braai or flatpack braai is made out of stainless steel, which means it can handle quite a lot of heat. It won't rust. It might discolor over a lot of use, but it also won't bend unless you heat this thing up to about 500 degrees and throw it into ice water. No metal is going to handle that shock, so don't do that. But this is quite sturdy. Well, it's steady, but you can see here it still has a bit of a wobble. But if we put the bottom stainless steel square plate in there, then this thing It's almost as steady as a rock. Now, as it is here, you can make a fire directly in here, and that is basically how it is to be used. And then you have a small grill for basically direct grilling. Plain and simple, beautiful, compact little braai. If it's on the stand on which it is now, you can even actually make a fire on top of a table. Your heat won't go all the way through to burn the table. What is also nice is you can put some chopped up vegetables, some carrots, some onions, some garlic, some herbs, all on here, drizzle with some olive oil, and basically put the fire right over it, and it'll roast the vegetables while you're busy frying your meat at the top. Now what also comes with this is a little bracket, and that's also another reason why it's important to assemble this braai with the curves going to the outside, the top and bottom lip always facing out, is so that this bracket fits on properly. Now you may ask, what's the use of this bracket? It doesn't really look like a handle to pick up the braai with. It's because it's not. It is actually a stand for this grill. And what you can do is, for when you want to do that lovely Kalahari iPad, a lamb rib or a spatchcock chicken, and you want it to go a little bit slower, you can just angle it like this, not completely on direct heat. So you have a sort of indirect heat cooking as well, and for something that takes a little bit more time. Now what I like about this grill is its versatility. You can use it, as I said, with the Flatpack, with the clamp down grill. You can go for direct cooking, you can roast the vegetables underneath, but you can also make a fire directly on the ground and put this over it, still with its bottom plate in place. On the bottom plate, put some sawdust, some herbs and some seasoning, and you can use it as a smoker by turning the bottom part upside down and using it as a lid. There are 4 breather holes, 2 on either side, so the smoke can still escape, but it basically captures all of that. And if you control the heat at the bottom, you can control the degree of smoke that you're going to use as well. But also in another way, once again, make a direct fire inside there, turn the stand this way around, and you've got a plancha. Now you can make a quick stir fry, you can fry bacon and eggs on there, or you can even sear a steak directly on there to get that perfect restaurant even sear. Now I know you're not going to get the braai flavor if you sear steak there, but sear it, take it off, and put the steak back on the coals and get that beautiful smoke wood flavor in there, and it'll be absolutely perfect. So guys, there you have it. The Camp Products Flatpack Deluxe Grill. Something to make those load shedding nights burn a little bit brighter. That is all from me, Steak Chop on Sale for Braaiwitness News, on food, on fire, and rather splendid.